Hey guys, what's up? We're back. This is Rando Geek. I have a cool article here regarding Amazon. Looks like there's more updates on their planned home internet service. So I'm going to leave the link for you in the description. And then I'm just going to cover some of the key points here, let you guys know what's going on. I'm actually a little intrigued by this, a little excited. We've been hearing about this on and off for a little bit now. I'm actually curious to see how Amazon is going to do in this space. I mean, we already know they're doing everything else, right? And they're getting better and better at it. Basically, the world is just relying on Amazon right now. It's the way we do the majority of our shopping now, get our music and whatever else. So let's just jump right into it. So first off, it looks like they're planning to start selling the home internet service sometime in 2024. They're gonna do it as a better launch. See how it goes. It's gonna be similar to how SpaceX's Starlink is, and they're gonna start testing the service to customers in just a few markets. So it looks like Amazon is planning to do the same thing, and basically just slowly roll out the home internet across the United States, and then I guess the world over the next few years. So basically, they're telling everybody to start looking for signups in 2024. And then, of course, they're anticipating a massive waiting list, which, of course, right? Why not? So they're also saying that the cost of the startup kit would most likely include the dish you need to receive internet. And according to Amazon, the cost to make the standard residential dish would be roughly about $400. And they're trying to say that Amazon might keep the cost to customer around that same price. So they're comparing a lot to SpaceX. They're basically saying SpaceX was $5.99, so they're trying to do a little bit less to snuff out the competition. Back in October of 2022, this is when Amazon announced their Project Cooper would launch more than 3,000 satellites into low Earth orbit to offer this home internet service. Amazon has announced plans to build the required satellites in Kirkland, Washington. So this is really cool. They're saying that the big problem, though, for Amazon is they're facing the deadline as the FCC, basically similar to what's going on with T-Mobile. You only have a certain timeline to fulfill the required promises that were initiated when you got the seal of approval from the FCC. So they're saying Amazon has until mid 2026. They need to have 1,600 satellites in space or face losing its FCC approval for the project. And then we have a little letter here of what the CEO said. I'll let you guys read that. It's a decent sized letter. Um, and basically, that's it in a nutshell. So we have some good updates, a planned launch, uh, almost a good idea of what the cost is going to be for the satellite dish. And yeah, I'm excited. I got to be honest, I'm excited. Can't wait to see what markets get it, what they have to say, if it's any good, how does it stack up. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this. Are you excited for this? Will you be testing? Will you going to be getting on that list? And do you really think Amazon stands a chance in this market? Do you think they should stay out of this market? Do you think Amazon's doing a little much? I always like to cause a little controversy in these videos. So, but I'm more than that. I'm actually interested to get everybody's opinion. Um, so, yeah, there you have it. All right, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you can do me a favor to help out the YouTube algorithm, if you can give me a like and a subscribe, that would be really awesome. It's not required, but I would appreciate it. And otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. Laters.